What can I plant in May? Spring is in full swing now, and it's an ideal opportunity to quit fooling around with planting. For warm districts, heat-adoring vegetables, for example, tomatoes and eggplants are all set in the ground. However, you may have to hold off until the month's end or later in northern environments, particularly if the evenings actually maneuver toward the 40s. For a significant part of the country, yearly blossoms can be planted at this point. Number 1. Spinach. Spinach inclines toward a cool climate and will go to seed when temperatures warm up. It's your last opportunity to plant this strong green until fall, so get it in the ground to appreciate infant leaves in half a month. Sprinkle seeds in succession, and cover daintily with soil. Keep soggy. Number 2. Snapdragons. These lovely annuals have solid upstanding structures, and they continue to sprout the entire summer. They're somewhat cooler tough than numerous different annuals, so you can set them out before in the season in northern environments. They additionally make a dependable cut bloom for containers. Number 3. Swiss chard. This delightful plant is a decent decision for blending in with ornamentals with its huge light green or bronze leaves and stems in each shade of the rainbow. Direct seed, and cover softly with soil. It favors a cool climate, however has some warmth resilience and may overwinter in gentle environments. Swiss chard additionally fills well in holders. Number 4. Lobelia. This low-developing yearly loves cooler climate, so appreciate it now before temperatures take off. In the event that it begins to look shaggy, a hairstyle will help it bounce back when the climate chills off again in fall. Number 5. Beans. In warm environments, beans can go into the ground toward the start of the month. Northern environments should stand by until the month's end, as beans don't develop well in cool soil. So seed sense transfers aren't typically effective. Shrubbery beans and shaft beans, which require a lattice or net to climb, are productive plants. The more you pick, the more they produce. Number 6. Herbs. Right now is an ideal opportunity to get your spices in pots or beds. Cilantro really favors a cool climate, and rosemary, parsley, and thyme are adequately tough to get in the ground if it's as yet cold in your piece of the country. Hang tight for warm evenings prior to planting more delicate spices like basil. Number 7. Marigolds. Marigolds are reliable for an explanation. They sprout throughout the season, they are splendid and energetic, and bugs don't trouble them. Plant them between palatable harvests to ward off bugs and rabbits. It at times works. Seeds or transfers are both alright to plant now.